Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 40. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, go to App Drawer and search for File Manager right here. Enter Files App, continue, allow, and thanks to Files App, you've got access to your internal storage, nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, clean function, thanks to which you can clean junk files from the smartphone, and recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.